I hopped onto the time machine. It was gray and shiny and shaped like a capsule. Off it went. The world was spinning like a fast-moving top. Things were flying and dancing everywhere. The sky was completely dark, and the flying objects were shining like fireflies. The time traveler appeared in front of me. "Welcome to the time machine. A journey to the future is about to begin," he said.
Can you stop reading and play with me?
Leave me alone. I want to finish my book today.
I'm so bored. Please. Let's play chess together.
Stop nagging me. I need to read.
Kids, are you all right? What's happening?
Can you play with me now?
Sorry, I have to prepare dinner. Why don't you grab a book and read?
Did you hear the noises? What are those noises?
What are you talking about?
Noises! There they are again. Let's take a look. Listen. Here come the noises.
What could they be?
What a fright.
It's only the toys. You're wasting my time. I need to get back to my book.
Hey, listen. Listen to them again. Ah!
Good afternoon. How do you do?
How do you do? I know you. You're the time traveler.
The time traveler? I don't understand.
He's the time traveler from the book The Time Machine.
You're so clever, boy. I'm the time traveler, and I'm here to take you too on an amazing journey through time.
Is it really true that I can travel through time like the boy in the book?
I don't believe in you.
I was talking to you over there, but now I'm in your bed.
How did you do that?
It's a secret. I'm a time traveler, and...
Are you a magician?
Of course I am. Are you ready to go?
Yes!
Where are you taking us to? What exactly is traveling through time?
Well, as a time traveler, I live in 3 different forms.
What do you mean?
Time has 3 different forms. The past, the present,
And the future.
I'm impressed. Smart boy. Please, take a seat.
So, where are we going to? The past or the future?
You're getting a bit impatient.
Look, there's the exit.
Oh, I can't wait. I wonder where we're going. Come on, let's go.
Where are we?
It's so quiet here. Are we still in Hong Kong?
This was Hong Kong in the past.
Are we really in old Hong Kong?
What are you wearing?
Well, as a time traveller, I need to change my appearance in different time periods. And I need to change my action verbs too.
Action verbs? What are those?
We use a different form of the verb to talk about past actions. For example, I jumped, I ran, and I hopped.
You jumped, you ran, and you hopped. Hey, look! Look at them!
Wait! Where are you going? Wait! What are they doing?
Farming.
Why did they do that?
People lived off farming in the past. They grew their own food and sold what was left over for money.
Really?
Children usually spent their time on the farm too.
That's too boring and difficult for me.
Why didn't they go to school?
Go to school? You kidding?
What's so funny about that?
Would you like to see what school was like?
Yes. What is this place?
This is the school the kids went to. This was the central building.
Come on up.
Come on, guys, I want to show you something more interesting over here.
Are you joking? A school? It's so small. How could it be a school?
Trust me.
Where is he?
人之初，性本善。
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 性相近，習相遠。
School was so boring in the past. We just listened to the teacher and recited from the book. We had no games and no activities. And the teacher was so strict.
Wake up, wake up.
School was so uninteresting in the past.
Where's Colin? Where did he go?
Colin? Colin!
Don't worry.
Look, Colin! What are you doing here?
I'm really hungry. I thought I could eat these sweet potatoes.
These are uncooked. You can't eat them right away, and they don't belong to us.
I'm really sorry.
Maybe I can find you some food somewhere else.
Look! It's the kids from earlier. They're yelling at us.
I don't like this place. I don't like staying here. I don't like life in the past.
Come on, let's go.
Where are we going to?
Can I go back home now? I don't like it.
Look, I'm sorry for what happened, and I promise something more interesting is coming.
We've been to the past. So do you mean we're going to...
I feel so hot. Do you feel that too, Colin?
Yes. I'm sweating. I feel like fire's behind us.
Kids, be a bit more patient and look out for the beautiful stars around us.
Where are we? Why is it so dark?
It's so cold, too.
Welcome to the world of 2046.
2046? That's 31 years ahead.
Wow, you look really cool.
Thank you. It's the look of the future. As I said, time has 3 different forms: past, present, and future. And now we are in the future.
What is your watch for?
For showing actions that happen in the future.
I learned that in school. We used will before verbs to describe actions in the future.
You're really smart. Are you ready for another adventure?
Yes. Look at those houses. They look so cool.
Hey, look! Why are they speaking to their watches?
That's how people talk in the future. People will only speak to computers. They won't talk directly to each other. They'll just press a button and we'll watch movies or read, and everything will be made for them.
That's so cool. I think I will like living in the future.
I don't like it. Playing and speaking to a computer is no fun at all. I like playing with real people, not computers. Hey, look! Look at that dog! He's so cute!
That's not a real dog, it's a robot. Don't touch it.
This is a private place. You are not allowed to go further.
What happened?
It's the dog. You touched it and now we're locked here.
I don't want to stay here any longer. I don't want to be locked. I don't like the future world. I just want to go back home.
Can you help us? Can you take us back from where we're from? I know you can, Mr. Time Traveler.
Why isn't it working?
I don't know.
We're finally back. It's always so good to be home. Are you still looking for the time traveler? Forget about him. He always got us into trouble.
Kids, it's dinner time.
Let's go and have dinner. I can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry.
Thank you for bringing us home. Thank you for such an exciting journey.
Who are you talking to, Colin? Come and have dinner.
Coming.